Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay with PayPal on AliExpress. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So now to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to pay with PayPal on AliExpress. And then after that, it will direct you here. So now what you're going to do is to choose this first option. And then it will then direct you here. Scroll down and then you'll see the step-by-step process on how you can do that. So the first one that you want to do is to check that the seller offers PayPal as a payment method. And then after that, select PayPal and click Pay Now. And the third one, you'll be directed to the PayPal page to complete your payment. And then lastly, you should be directed back to AliExpress site where your order will be confirmed. And that's it. If you have a question in this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe